Assalamu-Alaikum guys, welcome to my new video to the channel The Fluency Adder. So I would like to tell you about the basic topic that is related to the preparation of the PPSC English Lecturer. So I would like to call you about the questions that has been asked frequently, and that is the question that how to get prepared. Definitely it is quite mandatory for everyone that he or she can have the preparation at a good will. So he has to go for the harder preparation, and he can go for it by utilizing the English literature stuff from the past years or from the centuries beyond. Okay, so definitely it is quite mandatory that to be equipped with the course connections that has been actually used. So as you know that the paper or the exam is all about 100% that has been divided into the two sections. The number one is that English literature. English literature is always based on the 80% of the margin that has been equipped in the exam, and the rest of the 20% of the general knowledge is equipped within the exam. So you have to go for the preparation all about in this section, and you have to search about scenarios for the exam. Okay, the next thing is that how to get material. Then definitely it is quite easy, and it is quite confirmed that you have to get for the material to the stuff from your guides, from your books, from your professors, from your teachers, and from your guides and from your instructors as well. So you have to go for them for the relative preparation. What would be the materials? Definitely it is a good question that has been asked. The material could be in the form of PDF, in the form of PPT, in the form of slideshows, in the form of PowerPoints, and it can be any kind of stuff that you can go for it. Even it can be the text, it can be in the hard form of hard copies that you can go for them. I would like to recommend you and that go for the hard book and go for the hard copies that you can even read the text. Then you can even go for the interview without any fear. So the next thing is that how would be the paper and how would the exam? It would be all based on MCQs, and it would always based on MCQs. And don't forget and don't get it too easy. So it is always been a proverb that never take it for granted. So always try to stick yourself for the for the better preparation for the exam. So number 4 is all about the recommendations, that what are the things that can be recommended for the suggested readings, so one can help him out to go for the preparation of this exam. So definitely I would like to call about the Dogger publishers that has been updating their editions each year. Okay, or I will go for the Carvan edition, because they has been analyzing the text within the thorough reading. Okay, so never let the past papers go, because the past papers are the only material that we can use as a weapon, and we can use as a weapon that has been used so far in the past years. So go for it and go for the strategies and go for the preparation. Thank you. This is all for my side. This is all for the video, and this is all for the day. So I hope this video would be beneficial for you, and it might help you out in the future. So thank you. This is Basit Ali signing off. Allah Hafiz.